Here's a popular year Impala. Just in it unique, especially in classics. 1964 Chevrolet Impala SS, two-door hardtop. Yes, true SS. 815 trim code, which is going to be black. Vinyl buckets. Designates SS package. 848 Palomar red, which is more of a darker red wine color. So this is similar to how the car would have been produced by Chevrolet back in 1964. 350 V8 underneath the hood that is paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. Let you take a look at the chrome bright work up front, headlight surrounds. Now, as you can see on the hood, you can see the paint's not perfect here. One of those where if you want to drive it the way it is, not worry about getting a rock chip here or there, great for that. Maybe you want to spend some time with it, take it to the next level. Definitely a desirable year and model of Impala. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. You can always call us 507-386-1726. SS wheel covers, white wall radials. Take a look down the passenger side here. You're going to see there's previous work. Again, paint is not perfect. Interior shows well as far as vinyl seats. Center console, that SS 4-speed on the floor. Tachometer on the dash. We'll get around to the driver's side, let you check that out a little closer here in a second. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. We have had this car running, driving, stopping out on the frontage road, around our building. Technicians that looked at it did make a couple notes as far as with blinkers. Would need some TLC, also wheel cylinder. So there's some things before you got in this car and went on a long trip, take it down the highway. Like I said, may want to give it a little TLC. But again, desirable year. Desirable model, no doubt. Still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. We'll start it up, let you hear it run. Check out that 350 underneath the hood. Take a peek down the driver's side here. Again, we'll spot up on the trunk lid. Some prior repair here. All right, let's take a look at this interior a little closer. As you can see, black vinyl seats, won't have to do anything with them. Door panels appear to be in fine shape. There is a toggle switch I want to let you know about. There's the red one. I'm not talking about that one. There's another silver one that's just under this dash. Have it pushed more towards the back. Car will start. It's almost like a kind of a security precaution where it disengages the ignition so the car won't run when it's off. So I'm guessing somebody put it underneath there for security to know to flip it, then the car will start. We'll start it up. I'll kind of show you how that works. Make sure I tell you what position to have that switch in. All right, so there's your black vinyl buckets. Take out the headliner. Take a look at that. And then rear seat. And again, you can see all of that in the still pictures. All right. Now the switch is towards the back, pushing back towards the hood of the car. Car will fire right up. If I wanted to disengage the ignition, I could flip that switch back kind of towards me, away from the hood, and it's going to kill it or not allow the car to start. Look at that, working tack. Aftermarket radio, it powers up, but I've not gotten sound out of it. FYI, the wipers do work. Of course, there's your 4-speed. Look at the rest of the dash. So I'm in neutral here. Slip around to the back so you hear this run. Deep throaty rumble coming out of that 350. Good sounding car. All right, let's slip up to the front. Let's pop the hood, check out the engine bay, and we'll wrap this video up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we go, hood popped. Smooth runner. .350 V8 appears with the kind of the deck stamping on their casting code leads it to being a 350, and it appears that it could be a Corvette engine. A little later than 64. There you go, 1964 Chevrolet Impala SS. Real deal SS. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.